Hello there, and welcome to my channel. So this morning I'm hanging out in my garden and I want to share with you how you can easily multiply your tomato plants. Okay, so here I have a container that I have planted three pepper plants, and last time that I pruned my tomatoes I decided to try and see if I can plant one of the tomato suckers and see whether they're going to grow into a plant of their own. And what do I mean by tomato suckers? Let's see. Okay, so here I have a branch, and then in the middle of the branch there's a new sucker coming out, so which I like to trim off sometimes. Okay, to reduce in maybe the tomato plant being bushy. And I'm going to show us another one again. Let's see if we can find another. And here we have another one again. Here is a branch, here is the leaf, and here is the sucker. So I simply broke off that sucker, and then I just put it in the ground right here and forgot about it. And about maybe 2 weeks later I just came, I even forgot I put it here, and here it is growing. And so it's going to have its own tomato fruits and all that. So from one tomato plant you can actually multiply it into several other plants. So I thought I would share that with you. Every day I'm discovering new things in my garden. It's not like it's a new information, but for me it's new, and for many others it might be new too. So if you want to try it out and let me know how yours works out, that would be awesome. So here is a quick update on how the sucker is doing. As you can see, I have lots of tomato plants. I don't really need extra plants, but I decided to transplant it from the pepper container and put it in its own container, and it's growing very well. And the good thing about this is it's not going to take long before it starts bringing out fruits, because it was taken from a plant that is already kind of bearing fruits and having flowers, as you can see over here. So in a little while it's going to start having more fruits, so you can get as many tomato plants as you want. Like suckers keep coming up on my plants, on tomato plants generally, and so you can get as much as you need. And you can make yourself a tomato farm if you desire. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.